Welcome back to Blazin Tech. We have a new video today. It is on how to remove apps from the dock menu at the bottom of the window. So let's go ahead and start. So you see all those many apps on the bottom right here. Go ahead, if you click on one, just like click it and hold it, drag up until it says remove. And you could keep doing that until all your items are removed. As you could see, if you drag the wrong one out, you could bring it right back in and it will come right back. But for this, I'm gonna clean it up to the what I use the most. As you can see, I'm removing a bunch of stuff that I don't really need. And there you go. That's pretty much it. Plain and simple, guys. Plain and simple. So if you have any comments or any questions you want to ask, feel free to comment down below. We'll pretty much try to answer them as many as we can, guys. So if you make sure you turn on your post notification, just don't miss another video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. So let's keep growing this channel and let's keep grinding. So peace out, guys.